Zojirushi's Umami Micom rice cooker and warmer is a versatile appliance with multiple convenient cooking options. Made in Japan, this elegant rice cooker is available in 2 sizes to make up to 5.5 cups and 10 cups of rice at a time, and uses the micro-computerized fuzzy logic technology to prepare rice and other foods perfectly every time. It is so versatile, complete with multiple menu settings and cooking functions, including jasmine rice, congee, GABA brown rice, steam, slow cook, and Zojirushi's exclusive umami setting, which extends soaking and steaming to enhance the flavor by transforming the rice into a sweet, fluffy, and soft delicacy. The menu settings and functions can be selected from an easy-to-read LCD control panel, which also features a clock and delay timer. The alert signal is interchangeable with melody, beep, and no sound to match your preferences. The rice cooker also comes with automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, as well as a reheat function, so you can enjoy your meal on your schedule. The black, thick inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is non-stick coated for easy cleaning. And the inner lid is detachable and fully washable. Accessories include a steaming basket, rice spatula, spatula holder, and measuring cup. And as always, all surfaces that come in contact with food are BPA-free.